Hey, it's Troy Casey, the Certified Health Nut. Here in this video, we're going to talk about green juice. My favorite, get some liquid sunshine from the sun. The sun is converted through photosynthesis into chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the exact same match as your hemoglobin, which is your blood. It takes 120 days to rebuild the red blood cells and 6 to 9 months to regenerate the organs if you have the proper nutrition and the proper environment, that you're relaxed, you're lowering your stress levels. This is going to lower your nutritional stress levels. This is my favorite, the organic power shake. It's organic wheatgrass, spirulina. It's all concentrated in a powder, so all you have to do is add water to it. 2 scoops, add water to it, and it's loaded with living vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, but more importantly, that chlorophyll that rebuilds your blood. And so this is basically juicing without the hassle, right? You got to go to the farmer's market, you spend an hour or so there, then you got to come home, you got to clean your vegetables, then you got to juice your vegetables, and then you got to clean up the juicer. That takes at least 45 minutes plus the time it takes you to shop. This is 2 scoops in water. You're good to go. It's all organic, it's fresh, enzymes are all intact. And it tastes amazing. So get your greens every single day. That's how you rebuild your blood. I'm Troy Casey, and I'm out.